Good morning, students. I am Sangeeta ma'am. Today I am going to take constructions 11.1. In the construction 11.1 concept will be exercise 11.1. Okay. Today we are going to see in exercise 11.1 question number 1. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. This concept we already did yesterday. How to prove the theorem. So using the theorem, today we will do one example as well as the exercise sum. So now we will see the solution of the sum. So yesterday we did the approximate ratio, but here today in exercise the ratio will be already given. Given ratio is 5:8. So total parts 5 plus 8 equal to 30. First, always I will start with my rough diagram. Okay. This is my rough diagram. This point is A and this point is B. I just divide the line one segment. The point is C. This is 5. This is 8. Now I move on to the proof. Original diagram. Here they given the value of the line segment also 7.6 centimeter. So for that I will draw a line 7.6. This is A, this is B. After line segment drawn, first step is over. So the next step you have to draw a ray. Okay, draw ray AX using the acute angle. Okay, one ray I draw the ray X. So now the angle is acute angle. Then the second step is over. After acute angle, already in the construction you have to use the compass to split the ratio given parts. How many parts are there? Totally 13 parts are there. So I take my compass, I take one approximate measurement, then use that measurement. I will draw 13 arc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After drawn, once you mark the variables. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, A30. After what you are going to do? Then you join the 13th. You join A13 and B. A13 and B. A13 and B. Now you joined A13 and B. What is the next step you are going to do? You are going to do split the line segment in the ratio 5:8. So here you are going to do take the A5. Take the A5. Using the A5, use the compass to draw a parallel line A13B. This for parallel line you have to do A5C. So take the compass, draw one arc angle. Draw one arc angle. The same measurement of arc angle you also draw here. You also draw here. The same measurement of angle you also draw. Then take the angle length. Take the angle arc length. You mark it here. You draw the another arc. So you will get one intersection point to join the A5 and the intersection point. So you will get join the value and the intersection point. You will get the intersection point C. So here this part value is 5. This part value is 8. Now the construction part is over. Now the construction part is over. What is the question? Measure the two parts using the ratio 5:8. So now tell me here from this triangle, what is the justification? What is the justification? In triangle A13B and triangle A5C. These are the triangles, two triangles. From the triangle, since from the triangle, okay, from the BPT theorem, that means base proportionality theorem, A5 divided by A5 A13 equal to AC divided by BC. Okay, AC divided by BC or AC divided by CB. After what happened? AC divided by BC equal to AC divided by CB. So now the A5 equal to A5 by A13 equal to AC by BC. So now the value of AC divided by BC equal to 5/8. You can do the verification also. How to do the verification of two parts? Here tell me what is A2, A5, A1, 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 A2, A2, A3, A3, A4, A3, A5. That means A5 divided by A5 A13. A5, how many arcs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total arc is 5. After that, how many arcs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A5 A13 arc is 8. So this is equal to AC divided by BC. So the line segment 7.6 centimeter divides the line in the ratio 5:8 equal to AC is to BC. That's all. Thank you, children.